Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can force restart your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or 17 Air, doesn't matter which 17 you have. This will work on all of them. So when is it really useful? So when your iPhone is stuck and everything is frozen, nothing is working, the touch, screen, everything is like frozen, you can simply force restart your iPhone like this. So just press the volume up button and release it quickly, and do the same thing with the volume down button. Then what you can do is press and hold the side button till you see the black screen. So let me do it. Now, just touch anything, like if you see this option here as we slide to power off, you might not see it if it's frozen, but if you see it, don't do anything. Yep. Now everything is black, and that's it. iPhone just forced to start it itself. That's how you do it. That's easy. And thanks for watching, actually.